Are you passionate about shaping the world around you? Join us as we craft spaces that inspire, homes that endure, and structures that stand the test of time. Your journey in wood construction begins with us. At Wood Jobs, we're not just builders, we're storytellers. Meet the driving force behind excellence, the visionary leader shaping the future of talent acquisition. Introducing Roger Lopez, the founder and president of woodjobs.com.
Hey peeps, let's talk about construction jobs. Wow, so much growth in the industry right now. Just in the recent 5 years or so, Illinois and Massachusetts right now are offering pretty much the best wages, while the mountain states offer the most wage growth. Let's talk about that. I'd like to hear a little bit more about your areas. How much growth are you seeing there? Please post it. Send it to me in the chat here. I will definitely respond to you. I want to know exactly what positions do you see for a high demand in your areas. It's time to generate some income. Email me, roger@woodjobs.com. We are recruiters in the wood products industry globally. We've been around for over 30 years. Reach out to me. I'm on LinkedIn as well. Let's talk.
You may email Roger Lopez at roger@woodjobs.com. You may also email Demian Milan, the division director of Wood Jobs, at demian@woodjobs.com. And you can also contact him at 954-859-1987 to further discuss your hiring needs. Or you may visit us on our website, woodjobs.com. Send your resume and join us now.